All right, so today we have another great open box, another great mini PC. This one, the CPU is 8259, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 of SD drive, M2. Now, this one comes with the Smart Cache, 4 megabyte Intel 8th generation. Now, triple display, guys. Perfect for gaming. Yes, good for gaming. Desktop. Put it right in back of your TV, and you have now Windows 10 Pro. And much more. I'm going to show you this right now. How are you doing, guys? This is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com, and yes, today we have another mini PC. This one with triple display. This one is powerful, 3.8 up to, you can lock it up to 3.8 gigahertz, 8th generation Intel. Right, once again, the 8259U i5, so perfect if you want to play some cool games for a regular desktop or a nice mini server as well too. So what I'm going to do in this video, we're going to open this box and show you what we get and how we can upgrade a few of the things right in this box. And once again, it's pre-installed Windows, so only takes a few minutes and you'll be enjoy this mini PC. Let's do that right now. All right, so we got here the Beelink 8th generation CPU, 8259, 16 gigabytes. The memory, 512, triple display, Wi-Fi 6, turbo mode 3.8. Again, it's going to use 19 volts, 110, 240. So let's take this out. Let's check what we have here. Comes with a nice box, and we have here again this one. It has a nice biometric input for your finger. So put your finger there and automatic log into the box. Nice design. Yeah, Core i5 8th generation. So we're looking on the front. Power, CMOS cleanup, 2 USB 3.0, headphones Type C, and also display as well too. That's why it's triple display. Now we have a stereo microphone. This one is a 4K box. Nice design here. The nice air goes through here. We see here also on the back. Dual LAN display port, HDMI. So the way you're going to do it is one display, another display, and the one in the front. That's why they have the triple display. This will allow you to do that on 4K. So we have 2 USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. Make a nice design. Now, get into the BIOS is pretty simple. They put it right in the back. Guys, you can see BIOS, delete key. If you go and want to change into boot up mode, you're going to press F7. Simple as that. Now, to open this box, the only thing you need to do, we're going to remove this 4 screws from here. Let's push this up. Okay. And we got it right over here. So this is pretty simple. But for that, I want to go over this first. How to update your box. Cancel with all full instruction how to do it. It's pretty simple. Follow that. But I'll show you in this video how to do that. And then the installation. Hack into the box if you want to hook up this in back of your display, how to do that, and good detail on each board. Remember, this one has a Windows 10 Pro. Now the accessories we get in this: 19 volts power supply, 110 240. We get 2 HDMI cables, one short one and one long one as well too. Plus you get the bracket to install it right in your TV, and the screws as well. So we get all that. So now this is the bracket you're going to install, and if you want to use a 2.4 drive, 2.5 actually, right? The way to do it is pretty simple. You're going to grab this, you're going to hook up over here, and then the way to do it, all right, you're going to put it right over here, and you're going to use this cable, flat cable. You're going to open the top and put it right over there, and then you hook up that. That's simple. Okay, and then you have the 2.5 drive. I think the easy way is by installing M2. So that's what we're going to do on the next section. We're going to remove these 4 screws, and I show you how we can upgrade the memory, right? And how we can upgrade also the M2 by replacing one, although by adding actually a an M2 drive, because the one here, that's the one that comes with Windows 10 512. So we don't want to touch that. So what we want to do, we want to add a second one. So we're going to remove the 4 screws. All right. So I show you. This is simple, guys. If you want to replace the memory, simple enough. These are two 8 GB module. If you want to put 32, you can take this 2 and put a 32 gig. Or maybe you want to put a 16 here. Make sure you have the same manufacturer, the same type of speed. So check the part number. You can replace one as long as you're gonna go and use the same part number. Now to add another an M2 here, so you want to have one here. That's done pretty simple, and maybe that's an easy way. That's easy to install a 2.5 drive. So the way you do it, you push here, push it down, right? Take that screw out, push there, right? Be careful with these, don't touch it, right? And put it in, put the top, and you're done. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Then turn it on, and Windows will recognize everything automatically, right? And that's it. All right, guys. So after you saw the video, it's pretty simple to upgrade the memory or install a new drive. One of the nice things here, we have a triple display, so allow me to use the one in the back, one display port, one HDMI, and then I can use the one in the front and to load up my third display. We're looking at 4K, 4 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0. That's for your mouse and keyboard, a dual LAN, and this one nice. You have a metric, make it simple and easy. Now pre-install Windows 10, very important. Only take you about maybe 10-15 minutes to do pre-installation, like you know the Windows when you just got your brand new computer. Then let it update and you're done. I mean, again, mini server to play the video games or use as a regular desktop. It's a great mini PC. Check the link below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.